Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at GTA for free. So we're going to get that game for free. So let's just go right into Epic Games. So let's just put that in Google, Epic Games, and just click on the very first thing. So that's epicgames.com. So from Epic Games we can get GTA for free. Let's just go on the top right side. You guys will see search and type in GTA. And from here you will see this, Grand Theft Auto 5. From there, you will see the page loading. Meanwhile, this is loading because it will take a little bit because so many people are downloading it. Just make sure to sign in. So on the top right hand corner, if you guys don't have an account for Epic Games, which is free to create, go ahead and make one. So right now, I already signed in. That's on the top right hand side. Just make sure to sign in. And again, it is 100% free to sign in into Epic Games. So right now we're just gonna scroll down. It's okay if it keeps loading and loading. You will see this down here below. And then we should see this part where it tells you that it's free. So see this part? So it should say a price, whichever price, and then free. So the price will depend on which country you guys are at. And you should see that the sale ends right here. So we only have until then to download the game for free. And yes, this is the full version. It's not a trial or a demo. This is Grand Theft Auto. So let's just click on get right now. At this point in time, it should tell you right here on the right side corner, price, discount, and then 0. So as long as it's at 0 and you need to pay 0, you are good to go. You guys can go ahead and purchase this. So in the bottom right hand corner, we will see place order. Just click on place order. It's going to tell you thank you, and then you guys are going to get an email. And that's it. That's how you guys can go ahead and get GTA for free. Inside the message itself, you will also see this. So you guys can go ahead and open Epic Games Launcher or download Epic Games Launcher if you guys haven't done so already. Then we can just get started and play GTA. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.